Welcome guys to my channel Moreo Tuto. Today I will make a video tutorial on how to create auto roll on Discord using YALL. First, you need to have the YALL installed on your Discord server to follow this tutorial. Once you've added YALL to your Discord server, the first step is to type the command reaction roll, just like I'm doing here. Once the bot has reacted to your command, you need to specify the channel where members will be able to take their roles. Here's how you can do it. After specifying the channel, you just need to follow the steps provided by the bot to create the role. You can fill in the title and description as you wish, but if you need an example, here's an illustration of what I've done. Next, you can choose your favorite role color by using HTML color codes. If you don't know the code, you can easily find it on Google by searching for HTML color code. Just specify the color you want and you're all set. Once you've chosen your role color, the next step is to add emojis that your members will click to get the role. Follow these steps carefully so you don't make a mistake. After selecting the emoji, leave a space and then tag the role that will be assigned when a member clicks on that emoji. You can add as many roles as you like by following the same steps and typing "done" when you're done with all of them, like this. Yay, you've successfully created your own auto roll on Discord using YALL. If you run into any issues or want to learn more, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to make more tutorials for you. Goodbye for now.